Hello students, welcome back. Now today we will discuss matrices, that is matrices of ICSE 10th syllabus. So let's start. Students, I have taken 4 numbers. I have to arrange them in the form of rows and column. It means in the rectangular form. So I can arrange the number like this. I can arrange in this way also. Or I can arrange in this form also. When I arrange according to this form, there is one row. And 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So order of this matrix is 1 by 4. First number indicate the number of rows. Second number indicate the number of columns. So according to this arrangement, there is 1 row and 4 columns. That's why order is 1 by 4. Now here 1, 2, 3, there are 4 rows, 1 column. So order of this matrix is 4 by 1. Same way here, 1 column, 1 row, second row, 1 column, first column, second column. So there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So order of this matrix is 2 by 2. It means if the 4 numbers are given to you, you can arrange them in the 3 ways: 1 by 4, 4 by 1, 2 by 2. So this one of the form is known as matrix. When more than one matrices, or you can pronounce it as matrices. Now I have taken 2 matrices. One is of 2 by 2 order and one is of 2 by 3 order. Now here in the first row there are 2 elements or members. Same way in the second row also 2 elements. Your first column 2 elements, second column 2 elements. So for the matrix, number of the elements in each row should be same. So here 2 rows are there, each row has 2 elements. Here 2 columns are there, each column has 2 elements. So it is a matrix. Now just look at this. Now here 2 rows are there and 3 columns. In each row 3 elements are there. Here each column 2. So number of elements in each column is same and number of elements in each row is also same. So it is matrix. If I write in this way, in the first column 2 element, second column 1 element, third column 2 element, number of element in each column is not same. So it is not a matrix. So for the matrix, the number of elements in each row should be same and number of elements in each column should be same. Now your 2 rows and only 1 column is there. So the order is 2 by 1. Same way here, there are 2 rows, 1 column. So order is same. Both the side, this side 1 matrix is there, that side 1 matrix is there. Both the matrices are equal. So this element will be equal to this element and this element will be equal to this. So according to that, my 2x plus y equals to 5. That will give me my first equation. And 3x minus 2y equal to 4. That will give me my the second equation. Now multiply first equation with 2 and add to second equation. When I multiply first equation by 2, then what it will be? 4x plus 2y equals to 10. I have to add it with to the equation second. This get cancelled. So 7x will be equals to 14. So my x will be 2. Now since 2x plus y equals to 5. So 2 into 2 plus y equals to 5. 2 2s are 4. That side when you transfer. So your y will be equals to 1. So when two matrices are equal, order is same, you can solve in this way and find out the values of variables. Students, let's solve this sum. Here also order is 2 by 2. Here is also 2 by 2. So this element will be equal to this element. So my x plus 3 equal to 5. So my value of x is 5 minus 3, that is equals to 2. Same way, this element will be equal to this element. Therefore, y minus 4 will be equals to 3. So y will be 3 plus 4, that is 7. So my value of x is 2 and value of y is 7. Now let's solve this sum. Now order is same. So this is equal. So x minus 2 will be equal to 3. Therefore your x equals to 5. Now same way y is directly equals to 1. So you got two values. Now you have to find x, y, a and b. All the four variables. So this will be equal to this 5. Therefore a plus 2b equals to 5. That will be my first equation. Same way this will be equals to 1. So 3a minus b will be equals to 1. That is my second equation. I will multiply second equation with 2 and add 2 first. So when I multiply, it will be 6a minus 2b equals to 2. A plus 2b equals to 5. So my 7a equals to 7. Therefore a equals to 1. Third variable we got. Now since a plus 2b equals to 5, substitute the value of a. So 2b will be equals to 5 minus 1, that is 4. So my b will be 2. So we got all the four variables. Now students, how to add and subtract the matrices? Now for that, the very first condition is order should be same. Then only you can add and subtract. For example, if I am taking one matrix as this and other matrix as suppose this, the order of this is 2 by 2. Here 2 row 1 column. Since order is not same, you can't add, you can't subtract. So for addition and subtraction, order of the matrices should be same. Now I have taken two matrices. Matrix A is of order 2 by 2. Same way matrix B is of order 2 by 2. So we can add them also, we can subtract. So when I add A plus B matrix, simply you write them in the columnar form. Then first member get added to first member. So 3 plus 3, 4 plus 0, minus 1 plus minus 5, 5 plus 6. So your A plus B matrix will be 6, 4, minus 6, 11. Now same way we can subtract also. Now 3 minus 3, 4 minus 0, minus 1 minus 5, 5 minus 6. So 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 0, 4. This will be minus plus, 5 minus 1, 4, 5 minus 6 minus 1. Students, thanks for watching this video. Now today in this video we have discussed the basic part of the matrices. In the next video we will discuss the sums based on addition and subtraction of matrices.